Gathered in their numbers at the Buea Independence Square, the mourners from far and wide paid their last respect to Honorable Emilia Lifaka, who died after a brief illness. In typical parliamentary fashion, the MPs queued up to receive their fallen colleague. The state funeral, accorded to a lady regarded as a political pillar in Fako, brought together members of both houses of parliament, mayors, regional delegates, and the ordinary inhabitants. Leading the delegation is the first vice president of the National Assembly, Hilarion Etong, who presented a condolence message and spoke of how fondly the late Emilia was. Former Prime Minister Peter Mafani Mosonge, representatives of SERAC, CPA, Commonwealth, spoke of Emilia as a kind-hearted individual who go out of her ways to help others, and she would be missed by the Bakri community.
In the Bakri community, we have lost our giant, we have lost our own female headpiece, and we remember her as a kind-hearted woman, a woman whose home, her doors were always open to receive all of us in her residence in Kamsik in Buea, and it's a very sad day for us.
Late Honorable Emilia who was Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly and represented Fako West constituency, spent some 4 parliamentary periods spanning close to 20 years. Late Honorable Emilia was posthumously decorated Commander of the Order of Valor. She was then taken and buried in her home village of Bonjongo following her last wish. And as detailed by many, it will take some time for another person in Buea to achieve what the late Emilia succeeded in doing before passing on.